How to fix Instagram update problem in iOS 17. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and check if your Instagram is updating or not. For that, you want to go ahead and open App Store on your phone. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram app. If the blue button right here says update and when you click on it and it's still not updating, here is what you can do. You want to go ahead to your home screen. Then you want to go to settings of your phone. Scroll down and tap on general. Now you want to go ahead and tap on iPhone storage. After some time, it'll get loaded and you want to go ahead and tap on Instagram. Now you want to go ahead and tap on offload. Tap on offload again. After it is offloaded, you want to reinstall the app and that might help you fix your problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.